Good morning, friends. Today is 75th Independence Day of India, and on this 75th Independence Day, very auspicious day, I am going to tell you something very great. This thing will make you truly independent. What do I mean? I mean, we shouldn't be dependent on anyone, anybody for anything in our life. Why we are dependent on other people? We want love, we want praise, respect, or we want something. That's why we need people in our life. But today I'm going to tell you something incredible, friends. And what is it? This is called self love, and I learned it from Louise L. Hay. Louise L. Hay is the author of the book Heal Your Life, and she is teaching just self love in that book. What do I mean by self love? I mean, you love yourself, you respect yourself, you praise yourself. How can you do that? Just stand in front of a mirror and start appreciating yourself. Say the words loudly. Take your name, like my name is Suvarna. When I will stand in front of mirror, what I will say? I will say, Suvarna, I love you. Suvarna, you are such a wonderful person. Remember all those things which you have done till now in your life. Appreciate yourself for that. And it will heal your life. Really, believe in me. One more thing you can do is adopt a child inside you. Do you know there is a small kid inside you which is waiting for you for appreciation, for love? Just get connected to that child inside you. Start appreciating that child. Start loving that child as many times as possible in a day. Just go in front of mirror, look inside your eyes, get connected to the child inside you and start expressing love. You can say it loudly or you can say it in your mind and feel the love for that child. Feel the love for yourself. You can appreciate, praise each and every part of your body and say thank you. You can praise and appreciate each and every part of your mind and say thank you for being with me. You can be your best friend so that you can start enjoying your own company. And friends, believe in me. If you start appreciating yourself and loving yourself, you don't need anybody in this world to do that for you. Yes. And one more thing, you can start believing in the universe, the power which has created you and your life. Whatever you want, you just ask that power to give it to you and start praying for yourself. Start believing that it is already yours. Start visualizing whatever you want has already been with you. Live in the end means, suppose I want a car, start visualizing that you are already sitting in that car and driving that car and enjoying it, and the universe will miraculously give that car to you, or whatever, suppose it is a home, money, or whatever you want in your life. So you start believing in two powers in this world. The first power is you yourself. Befriend your mind, befriend your body, be your best friend. Start loving, start appreciating yourself. That is the first thing. Second thing is believe in universe. Believe that whatever you want, You can ask to the universe and you will get it. And friends, nothing, nothing can stop you. Affirmations are some positive sentences you can say repeatedly, like I am good, I am more than enough, I am beautiful. These are some simple affirmations. And friends, let me tell you that I have written a book on affirmations. Soon it will be published, and I can give you the copy of that book to practice various affirmations, and you can just create the life you love. Thank you, thank you. And yes, you can be truly independent in this world. You don't need anybody outside of you to do what you want to do. Believe in yourself. Thank you, thank you, thank you.